So example number 3. In example number 3, p-value for a two-tailed hypothesis test given z is equals to 2.14 and level of significance is 0.05. So z is equals to 2.14, level of significance is 0.05. Now our task here is to link this 2.14 to the table. So this is the table. 2.1 is here, and 4 is here. So the answer is 0.938. So 0.9838. This is the value, but the statement here is two-tailed. Because that is two-tailed, you need to multiply 2 times 0.9838 is equals to 0.0162. Now this is the area of the two-tailed. So to check P and what is the level of significance, 0.0162 and 0.05, that is less than to the level of significance. Therefore, you will reject the null hypothesis.